Hello everyone, I'm located in Northeast Florida, growing zone 9. I'm Jen and today is April 4th. If you're new to my channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to stay up to date with easy gardening tips and creative ideas. And welcome to the Creative Grassroots Garden. In today's video, I'll be sharing how easy it is to grow celery from home, and some tips I learned through the growing progress. When starting celery from seed, it can take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks before germination. Celery is also considered to be a long growing crop. It usually needs an average of 140 days before reaching a full maturity. Celery grows best in a light, rich soil with good drainage, and with lots of aged compost and other organic matter, with soil pH between 5.8 and 6.8. Most celery varieties are self-blanching and do not require to be blanched. However, if you do decide to blanch your celery, you can do so 2 weeks before your harvesting time. The celery stalks can be covered with cardboard, paper, soil, or mulch to keep out the light. Just be sure to only keep the leaves exposed to the sunlight when blanching. By blanching celery, even self-blanching varieties, it helps eliminate a bitter taste and helps make your celery sweeter and more tender. Once you get your cardboard wrapped around your celery stalks, you can use tape, twine, rope, or even zip ties to hold it together. Celery does grow best in full sun, but will tolerate partial shade. When harvesting, the celery plant can be picked at any stage of development. By harvesting only a few outer stalks, the plant will continue to grow. The celery plant also loves water. It is a very thirsty vegetable. They don't tolerate drought of any kind, so make sure to keep your soil evenly moist by watering regularly. When harvesting the whole plant, it can be cut directly at the base. By using a fish emulsion or a liquid fertilizer once a month will help boost their size and provide nutrients. This lovely vegetable has a great fragrance that can be smelled throughout the garden. Celery is a marshland plant in the family of Apiaceae. The celery plant is also entirely edible. Stalks and leaves are generally used for cooking, while celery seeds can be crushed down into a powder and used as a spice. After a good wash, my celery can be preserved even longer by dicing them and placing them into a freezer. Once you harvest your plants, you can leave the root and stems still in the soil. By doing so, the celery plant will actually regenerate from the base and regrow new stalks. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day. Any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. I'm Jen from the Creative Grassroots Garden, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.